Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a free website which allows you to actually call their APIs to all the AI models which are there. So this is actually a very free website where you can get a free API key. Once you sign up, you actually also get 50,000 free tokens for any model, AI model. So it has support for almost 300 AI models. So this is actually the website. I've given the link in the description of the video. So you will see it has all the AI models related to all the categories: chatting, image generation, video generation, coding. We have Claude, GPT, Qwen, Kimi K2, Grok. So all the models are there. So it's really simple. So I personally tried this website. It's completely free. So once you click the try for free button, so right here you can simply click the sign up button, and right here you can simply sign up. So you just first of all simply sign up by filling out the details. So let me just create an account. So right here you actually enter your email address and click on get verification code, and it will just send out this verification code. You simply fill out that. So you can see it actually, you need to look in the spam folder. So it actually, this will be the code right here. It's a Chinese based website, so that's why you fill out this, click on sign up. So now you successfully registered. You simply now enter the details to login. So once you sign up, you actually redirected to the dashboard area. So once you sign up, you will see your balance is 10 cents automatically is added to your account, so that you can easily test it out. And you inside the chatbot section, in the you go to the playground section, and from here you can have access to all the models from here. From here you select your model: Grok, Claude, Gemini, GPT. You have support here van, as you see. You also have Qwen 3, GPT, DeepSeek. So from here you select, you enter anything, you ask any kind of question. So it has, think you need to so right here, as you ask the question here, you will see that you simply say please. So we selected this model right here, Grok code first. So it's actually generating this code for us. So it's a free platform. It also runs the application as well. So as you see, it generated the request for us. You can see it consumed one token. You made two requests, and now for token management, you can see this is your API key. You can click on copy to clipboard directly. It actually shows you how much you consumed. Right here it exactly tells you how much request you have made, the consumption, everything. It's a very good website. You can totally get started for completely free. And if you check their documentation right here, you can actually check their documentation how to get started. So 100 plus models are there. So click on quick start. So the base URL is actually this one, either this, either this. You can make an API call. So they have given this example which is in Python language as well. So now to make this API request, you could just create a Python file for this and simply paste. So right here you paste your API key right here, and this API key you easily get. So simply paste your API key right here and just run this Python script. So once you run the Python script, as you can see, we ask this question. I think some error is taken place, but you can read their documentation. They have given this step-by-step example in Python, as you see. We also have example in Node.js as well. So a complete example is given. So almost you have 500 plus models right here. So this is actually the dashboard area where you actually can see how much credits are rewarded. So if you want to recharge, you can also recharge through Stripe top up. So payment methods are also there. It's a complete API platform for AI models. So definitely check this out.